Hello, I'm Danny and welcome to BHP Bikes. This is like the fourth time I've been out now to try and film a vlog, and my drift camera keeps shitting itself and it's been a bit of a nightmare. So that's pretty much the main reason why I've not been out doing a great deal of recording, is because the drift cameras have been quite unreliable. So it's Sunday afternoon and I'm breaking every rule under the sun to go out riding. I don't ride weekends because it's full of idiots, and police love to sit around waiting for bikers on a Sunday. There you go, look, another one. However, I've got a busy week next week, so it's not going to be exactly easy. And look at it today, look, blue skies, few clouds dotted around. It's going to make for a great few hours out riding. So yeah, so anyway, right. So what's been happening then? It has been a busy couple of months. We're still waiting to exchange on our land property office purchase. That's taken freaking ages. It's been a year now since we started talks, which is just frustrating as hell, to be honest. But the solicitors have our money. We're just waiting now for it to all go through. I hate this junction. Yeah, so we're just waiting for it to all go through now, which should be good. Once that's through, my life can continue. Yeah, so my life can carry on then. But yeah, it's been freaking awesome. We've just got lots going on. The new babies keep me very busy. Work this time of the year for me generally is quite busy. I tend to work till, March, April, and then I tend to take the rest of the year off and ride bikes and tour and stuff. Which then leads me on to the next thing. I'm off to Spain. I think I mentioned it in the last video. I'm taking my 4x4 with this bike, my S1000, my wife and my baby. So the plan is to drive through France, do all the boring bits in the car, and then as soon as the roads start winding out, jump on the S1000. And then when I get to the destination, I'll be using this little Honda to bomb about and, look for green lanes that I can ride. I'm not quite sure how I'm going to work that one out yet. But yeah, that's the plan. So yeah, it's going to be quite cool. Obviously I'll be bringing my cameras, my drone, the laptop, all that sort of crap, so you should, in theory, be getting live updates. The other thing you want to watch out for on a Sunday, especially on a day like this, is old Derek on his Ducati, riding in normally shorts and t-shirts like a twat. It's the third time he's been out in his life. Thinks he can get his knee down, all that sort of bollocks. There's going to be a lot of bikes down here. Push bikes, motorbikes, everything. Knobblies, so sketchy. Well, I was going to stop in there, but fuck that. Oh, quite a few bikes though. Good to see. Oh, nice little crackle there. My heated grips are working a treat. Cheapo, £35 from flipping Amazon. I don't even know what they are. They're shit, whatever they are. Oh, what's this? Is this a public footpath? Yes. But yeah, they're shit either which way. But they're cheap and they're good and they're not shit. In fact, what the fuck am I on about? There we go. Oh, now we're getting to the greeny bit. Oh, and we're going to get muddy. Let's find a gear, shall we? Oh, fucking hell, that's quite deep. Wasn't expecting that. Nice big rock there. Oh, God, that was deep. Clutch in, covering the rear brake. Jesus, Nora. My rear brake is shit. You must have seen me ride this track 1,000,001 times now. It must get quite boring for you guys. When I eventually get my trailer sorted out, I'll be going different places. Fucking hell, I'm a bit rusty. Yeah, I'm going to be going different places. I'm going to try and partner up with a couple of other YouTubers. See if we can have a YouTuber day out, maybe, somewhere. Be nice, wouldn't it? Be a bit better than me fucking pissing around, boring you to death. Ooh, I tell you who I'd like to go out, not only for a beer with, but also a ride with, and that's the Crumble. What a fucking legend that guy is. Alright, let's get up this hill. See, I'm going a lot quicker. Right, this track is going to be muddy and slippery. Jesus, Nora already. We've had a lot of rain the last week or so. Well, yesterday. So, we'll just have to take it easy. And hope we get up there alive, and then down again. Whoa. Need to get standing up. Ooh. Some deep ruts. Ooh. That was pretty bad. God, and that was the easy bit. That was the easy bit. There we go. Make the green lane a little bit wider. Ouch. Ouch. You ripped my ankle off then. I think something's been up here to sort out some of the trees. So I think last time I went up here, trees were down. Ooh. Squirming around the lanes. Very full body workout today. Working those calf muscles and the thighs. Right, this is where shit gets real. 1:06 PM. Well, time for a pint then on the way home. That'd be good. Oh, this is nice. This is very nice. I like it when it says unsuitable for HGVs and all the cars are muddy and fucked up like that. Fucking awesome. Public footpath. Never been down here before. Oh, hurricane! Ah dear, well I'm praying and hoping that this video comes out, because I've had a lot of fun. Oh dear, what's going on here then? Rail replacement. Now someone fucked up on that route, didn't they? God, that's tight. Oh. Fair play to them though. They've done it. Fair play. Hear that growl. Come on. There'll be another one coming soon if we don't hurry up. Anyway, I think I'm going to call that an end to the video now. I'd like to thank you all for watching. Please do make sure you like, share, subscribe, give me the thumbs up, and I'll catch you all in the next video.